What is up there, everybody? Citrus Aviation here with yet another video, and today we have an unboxing. This will be a two-parter where we're unboxing two boxes. I'll be unboxing this box, and then in a few minutes you'll see me unbox another box from the future Citrus from a few days later. So we have a box here. This one is coming from Prairie Diecast, and there's one model in here. And what this is, it's a replacement to the model in the last unboxing that came damaged. You might notice that there was a smudge on the engine, and I will be showing that here in a moment. You can also just watch the video and see that it was there. But also, you can tell, I'll show it in greater detail here as well, but we will be unboxing this here in a moment. Let's just get this open. Alright, so here we open the flap. And there we go, it's another beautiful Southwest B737-800. I'll open up here on camera. I really want to thank the owner of Prairie Diecast for how he packs his models. He does an outstanding job with these. They're packed very well. This one has a dent here. Let me look up at that. Let's see. Oh, looks like it happened in shipping because this corner of the box corresponding to this part of the model appears to have been damaged in shipping, so I'm not going to fault the retailer for that. He did respond to my request for a replacement very quickly, and there it is. And here is the aircraft, and right off the bat, no smudge on the engine, so that is a massive improvement right there. Thank you very much, sir. And we're going to take a look at the model. It's again mostly just the same as the other one. I'm just going to check to ensure that this one doesn't have anything damaged on it. Alright, and here's the other one. Just bring it into frame. And yeah, so that's this part of the unboxing. We're going to now fast forward to future Citrus here soon. Maybe first I'll just zoom in and I'll show you what the problem was with this previous model. But if I zoom in there, you can see the smudge on the engine. And if I show you this one, see it has no smudge. So that's the way it should look. So yeah, excellent job. Thank you to Prairie Diecast for sending me a replacement. I did elect to keep the broken model, but obviously if I want to do that, I do have to pay a price for that, so I did buy it. There was a little keeping fee for keeping the damaged model, but yeah, I'll be able to use the damaged aircraft. I'll just have to sew this side from now on, but even still, thank you very much to Prairie Diecast for the excellent and quick customer service, and for sending the replacement model quickly. So thank you very much. So with that being said, we are now going to move on to the new NG models September releases here in a moment. Alrighty, we are now on to part 2 of the unboxing, and we have some models here from the Royal Model Store. They are for September 2020 NG releases, and one is a restock. So we have two NG models in here that are brand new for September 2020, and one is a restock. So you can probably guess the September 2020 ones are if you watched my release video. I told you which ones I was interested in getting. And let's open this puppy up. So we got some great models in here. There's 3 here, and along with the other new model that we got from Prairie Diecast. This is a very nice unboxing video for you guys here. I got some very good models I'm really excited about. Alright, so here we go. Open this up. Oh, we have a little note here. It says, "Dear valued customer, thank you for purchasing from our model store. We have a website, blah blah blah, and we would like to give a customer special 10% discount. With no minimum amount. Cool, that's good. Hope to see you again soon. Our model store. Cool. Alright, let's get to the good stuff. Here are the models. And we have our first one. This is a Southwest 737-800. It is a restock. It's the split scimitar one. Been really that. And here we have a NG A321 in the regular livery, and an NG Delta A321 in the thank you livery. And something I want to show you guys, if you put these boxes together like this, they make like a little mural with the two boxes right next to each other. That's so cool. NG did an amazing job with that. So with that being said, we're going to open these and take a look at them. We'll start with the restock here. And the Southwest 737-800. This is the one with the split skin toys. So I now have two NG 738s without split skin toys, and this will be my first one with. So I'm going to need to get a few more of these Skimitar ones to make a more balanced fleet. We don't have 3-to-1 Skimitar and non-Skimitars. So there's that. Looks to be in good condition. I don't see anything broken or smudged or anything right off. So we'll put that package away, and then we'll get to the Deltas, which I'm very excited about. Now I have seen a lot of A321s come broken because NG has some issues with the A321s, but I'm hoping these won't be broken. Nothing broken I can see yet. This is the regular livery one. Alright. We have all 3 antennas in, and all 4 antennas, I say, and a Wi-Fi box. That looks amazing. Delta belly. Oh, that's so sweet. Okay. So put that back. Oh, there's also like this little piece of foam thing at that. Alrighty, and then finally we have the A321. Thank you. And there goes my battery. RIPs. There's a little plastic thing now. Alrighty, so it's now like 3 weeks later since we did the last part of the unboxing. My camera battery failed, so it ran out of battery power, so I had to go charge it. It's now several weeks later, and we have this little package here. This one came from RedRiverAviaiton. It is a model that I ordered a little while back from him. He had it up for sale on his eBay, and so I decided to purchase it from him. So let's take a look and see what it is, and then we'll take a look at the 5 models in this unboxing. Yes, it's almost like its own like massive unboxing. I know that people who do massive unboxing YouTube episodes, so if you want, you can call this essentially my first quote massive unboxing with a grand total of 5 models. I mean, I don't know. I don't think I'll call it massive unboxing because to be honest, it's not like enough models for me to call it massive unboxing. For me, it'd like have to be like 10, like at least 7. Anyway, let's see what's in here. Alright, so we got a little bit of this plastic stuff. Got some paper. And there she is, the Delta Ao Bus A321-200. And yeah, this is the first Gemini just released. I have the second one. And this was supposed to be like a collector's edition. And it says celebrating the delivery of the first Delta A321. Fun fact about this model, Delta actually did not get this plane first. This is November 301 Delta November. This was the second airplane delivered to them. The very first one delivered to them was the second Gemini just released, November 302 Delta November. So technically, it's incorrect on the box. There is the model itself. Looks to be in good condition. How the box is a little pushed in, that's very typical of Gemini just boxes. Alright, this isn't close all the way, so we'll just open it right up. And there she is, Delta A321. Looks to be in good condition right off. Let's open this up. I'm sure RedRiverAviaiton will be watching this video because, well, I bought a model from him. So, let's open this up. There is the little piece of plastic there. I want to save that. Alright, and then pulled. By the way, something that I really get annoyed when people do unboxings, when they just yank the plane out by the tail. Don't do that. I take it out by the fuselage as soon as I can. And it has the Delta belly. Ooh, that is nice. See, there are the 3 antennas. So, there's that. And that'll be the 4th Delta A321 to my collection. There's only one more that I need to get, and that is the recent Gemini Jets release. And then I'll pretty much have every individual separate registration that has been made in 1/400 scale, because L Classics also made one. I believe they also did 301, so I'm not going to get that. And several companies have or are making the thank you livery, and so I just decided to get the NG because that's the best one. So that being said, let's now get a close look at these models. Alright, first up we're going to take a look at this Delta Airbus A321. So this is the one I bought from RedRiverAviaiton. You can see the nose detail. It's fairly typical for Gemini jets. The engine, the oversized engine. The winglet looks good. This is just a quick overview just to take a look at the model. It's not the review. The reviews of these will come later. I am actually going to try another new style of reviews that'll be coming here shortly, and we can compare it real quick to the NG version. You can tell the NG version is already way better. Look at that, no oversized engine here. Let me see if I can actually put the engines inside each other. Let's see, can we do this? Alright, so let's see if we can put these engines inside each other. Alright, so here's the NG one, and yes, the front of the cowling, of the engine cowling, does just fit inside the Gemini Jets one. So yeah, not exactly to scale Gemini Jets, but yeah, the NG one looks so much better. Just look at that. Even has the Wi-Fi box. Interesting enough, the Wi-Fi box came off on mine. I was able to put it back on, but that is something to note. You always, mileage on the condition of your model may vary, because Gemini NG models have had quite a few difficulties with the A321 mold. Here is the thank you one. On the nose it says, dedicated to the world's best employees and customers. Thank you titles. According to NG models, they were not able to put the 30,000 individual names because that would just not be really plausible in 1 to 400 scale, so they just put the title thank you there. Again, nice detail. This one came entirely intact, no issues with this one. We have the replacement Southwest 738 for the one that had the issue on the engine. This one though is in great condition. The box is a little bit messed up, but other than that it's in good condition. And then we have the Southwest B738 skimitars. Again, this is very similar to the Canyon Blue regular Canyon Blue one, but this one just has blue skimitars. I really like NG models to make one with gray skimitars. I recently spotted a 738 with gray skimitars. Those are pretty rare. But there are some, and I believe there was also a couple of white skimitars. So, that being said, let's just make this nice little lineup here. And we'll do our conclusions. And this is a great unboxing. These were some models that I really needed for the collection. And they will look great at the airport. Because this unboxing is coming out real late, you guys have probably seen most of these models in my airport update videos. In fact, all these other than the new Delta I just picked up today. So yeah, this has been a great video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let's put the boxes in the background. And yeah, there we go. All 5 models. Let's just get a better view. All 5 brand new models right there. So yeah, pretty happy with this unboxing. We got a lot of good stuff. These are great fleet builders for both the Atlanta airport and the other airports I do. So yeah, that's it for this video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I always look forward to seeing what your guys' thoughts on the model. Comment below what you think of these models, and do you have these models yourself as well? So yeah, thanks for watching. Have a great rest of the day, and God bless you.